everybody, welcome to another vlog. This is Munch and Miles. I am Anjali. This is Stuart. We are on our way to Bhandardara. I can't wait to show you this vlog. I mean, you have a glimpse of it a little bit behind. It's going to be amazing, so stay tuned.
Behind me, you see the beautiful hills of Bhandardara. The monsoons really bring out the best of this location, and it's really awesome. Look at the amount of waterfalls over here, and it's so damn beautiful and gorgeous.
A small update. Well, the map says it's 24 minutes to reach there, around 10 kilometers. We had great fun even shooting those videos, and hopefully you guys enjoy as much as we did. Bhandardara is not very far away from Igatpuri, and again, amazing views, the hills. It's mostly people farm here, so you have a lot of farming that happens. And because of that, because it's still monsoons, towards the end of the monsoons, I would say, it's really, really green. Stuart has taken some amazing drone shots. And because it's not raining, we could, fly the drone.
Yeah, flying the drone gets a little sketchy though, because you don't know when it's going to rain. You tend to get a little anxious when you're flying it, because you don't know if your drone's not going to come back if it starts raining.
Yeah, Stuart is going to get a heart attack.
A little bit of caution.
He's going to get a heart attack if the drone doesn't come back. En route to Randha Waterfalls, we came across farmers with colorful bulls and cows and were curious to know what was happening.
Well, fortunately, today is the Bale Festival, that's the cow festival.
Welcome to the Bale Pola, the cattle festival. This is the time when all the farmers gather to show their gratitude and offer thanks to their cattle. The bulls are bathed and massaged with oil. They are then decorated with colors, shawls, bells and flowers. It's a grand ceremony which is held with a lot of drums and dolls and local delicacies.
ये क्या फेस्टिवल है?
भादे का।
खुद भादे का। बैल को कहाँ पे लेके जाते हैं आप? मंदिर पे। मंदिर पे? तो मंदिर कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
ये आगे।
अच्छा वो मंदिर है क्या आगे?
1 किलोमीटर है। उन्हें आगे वाले। आगे।
Okay.
It was a privilege to witness this grand festival which falls on the Amavasya of the Shravan month. We stumbled upon it by luck but gathered memories for a lifetime. We are at Randha Falls. Apparently it's the most pretty and beautiful falls that you'll come across. You're just entering the gate en route. We have got some insane cinematic version for you, so stay tuned. You're going to love this. Randha Falls from a view never seen earlier.
Stopped by for lunch. The name of the hotel is called Yashraj Hotel. So this is Mr. Yashraj himself, and
Ritesh.
this is Ritesh. So hi Ritesh.
Hi.
So can you tell me something about Bhandardara and what are the main points over here? What are the best places to visit?
भंडारदरा में बहुत सारे पॉइंट है.
Okay, क्या point है?
अम्ब्रेला फॉल करके.
Umbrella Fall.
अम्ब्रेला है.
जी.
रंधा यार है. घाटघर करके.
Okay, Randha Waterfalls.
घाटघर है.
घाटघर.
है.
तो घाटघर में क्या है exactly?
घाटघर में एक शांत रिवर्स.
अच्छा रिवर्स वाटरफॉल.
हाँ.
ओ वाओ, ये कौन सा है?
घाटघर करके.
घाटघर. ओके, वो कितना दूर है यहाँ से? 20 किलोमीटर.
इधर से भी डैम है भंडारदरा करके.
भंडारदरा का डैम भी है.
डैम है.
क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज होता है बेसिक?
ट्रैकिंग होता है.
ट्रैकिंग का कौन सा
हो जाती है तभी कैंपिंग चालू होती है. लेक साइड कैंपिंग.
ओके, लेक साइड कैंपिंग. और आप लोग कैंप्स और टेंट्स भी करते हैं दिसंबर में?
दिसंबर के चालू.
बारिश सीजन के बाद टेंट्स भी करते हैं.
बारिश खत्म हो जाती तभी.
और क्या चार्जेस है वहाँ पे?
पर पर्सन 1500-1200 रुपए लेते.
1200 रुपए पर पर्सन. दैट
एक आदमी.
इज फूड के साथ. So guys, anybody who wants to get into any of the activities, you all can definitely contact Ritesh. Ritesh can help you all.
Now we are come to the Arthur Dam, which in other words is the Bhandardara Dam. It's almost time for sunset, about 6:30 in the evening here. But what a way to end the day. I mean, look at this view. Everything is so pretty.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.
say goodbye for today. We will see you back again. And this is goodbye from Manchin Miles from Bhandardara Dam. Bye bye.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own